Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about using the boundary tool and coloring in areas based on marker count or location density. So we're going to go into our map tools on the top left. Then we're going to go to the geographic boundary tool. For this map, I'm going to choose US states, but you can choose any boundary that you wish. And I'm going to choose marker count and location density. I'm going to load boundaries. Now we can sort of see the map, but I'm going to turn off those map markers so we can see a little bit better. You have the ability to select areas. You can customize fill by your data, which we've got already. Boundary settings gives you the ability to edit your boundary settings. So you can change the line width and color. You have the ability to adjust the number of ranges. You can change the colors of the low values, medium values, and high values. You can go by percentage range or value ranges. And that changes it like this. You have the ability to adjust these numbers, so that the next number changes as well. And we can adjust the way these colors look. So I want this to go this way. And now we have a bit more change on that map. And you can continuously adjust that to whatever values you want, and until you get a view that you prefer. In the three dots, you have the ability to customize boundary metrics. Because we have a pop-out that shows you information either from your own data or demographic census data, so you're able to customize what that pop-up shows, as well as the total number of locations, of course. And we've got all of the different types of categories in here, and this part is from my data. To remove this from the map, you can click your X, and that will remove the boundaries from the map, and you can unhide the map markers. That's everything on marker count and location density. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.